I am back. Before some days I went to a local beauty parlor for waxing and all. So there I was surprised. I had seen somebody was doing eyebrow coloring and I thought it would be very risky. So I asked them, so they told it's very natural and I was like, should I try or not? After searching a lot, I got this eyebrow color. It's 100% chemical free. I bought it because I wanted to try. So let's try this one. It comes like this. It's in powder form. We have to make it a paste and then we have to apply. And before applying, it should be very clean and dry. So I already cleaned this area with a face wash and I dried it completely. So let's try this. I am little bit scared. Okay. Oh, it's a henna powder. I understand it's 100% natural because the scent is coming like henna. So let's mix it with water. Oh my god. We have to make a thick paste so that easily we can apply on eyebrow. And it will take about 1 hour to get the color. And it's green color. Henna mostly gives orange color. And it is mentioned in packet black, but now after seeing this paste I am really scared. If my eyebrows become orange, what I will do? And you need to apply it very thick layer. But in that parlor I think that was chemical or something because that was black in color. This seems to be like henna leaf powder. If it's become orange color, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I am really scared now because of its green color. Let's apply this side. Already I have very less brows. If it becomes orange, it will be invisible. So I don't know what is going to happen to me. Really, I am taking a big challenge. It looks like I'm going to a Halloween party. Why I'm trying this? So like this we have to be 1 hour. So I don't know after 1 hour what is going to happen. In my mind so many thoughts are coming. Like if it becomes full black like this, I don't know what I'll do. See, it's done. Let it dry and see the result. So it is fully dry after an hour. You can see. So let's clean it. I got one washcloth. Let's try this. Oh my god. It's difficult to clean. Oh my god. I think I need to wash it off. Is there any change? I'm not seeing any difference. Like I expected. See, it is mentioned here. This is an herbal formula. Please do not expect instant result as fast as chemical dyes. That I understand. We have to repeat it. But I expected little bit color on my eyebrows, but I am not seeing that. One more thing it is mentioned here. It gives proper coloring after 24 to 48 hours for first time users. Okay, fine. So I am using this first time. So maybe for that I didn't see any type of result, but I'll wait for 24 hours and see how it works. I am planning to repeat it again after 3-4 days, so it might give some color.